I'm up early and I am headed to the ferry dock at Northport to meet the rest of the crew for a day of planting on Washington Island. So let's go! How's it going, Paige? Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing?
Oh, waiting in line to get on the ferry. The volunteers walked on, so they'll get on. Thomas will get on, and then this car behind us here.
Well, while I'm here, can I ask you, what are we doing today?
We're gonna plant some shrubs, some native shrubs at the Domer-Neff Nature Preserve and Bird Sanctuary on the island.
Why are we doing that?
To help migratory birds. So it's part of our grant that we worked with the Lake Michigan Bird Observatory. So we put up that MOTUS tower that helps track bird migration. And the idea is to plant these native shrubs that provide different food sources for the birds when they're migrating through, so spring and fall.
Perfect, thanks Paige. Well, I hope we get on the boat soon.
Me too. See ya. Bye.
Well, Paige made it on, but I did not. I made it. I found you. So what have I missed?
Oh, instructions.
Okay, that's what I figured.
No, this is really fun.
Yay! What are you planting?
I am planting a calm St. John's wort.
What did you guys just plant?
Serviceberry.
Nice.
Allegheny serviceberry. So
Did you take the tag off? Oh, there it is. So we're doing this island around here, and then there's another island over that way that we'll be going to after we finish here. They dug the holes last week. The other volunteers, thank you to all the hole diggers, and we really appreciate that. And then they placed all the plants here around for us at the holes. So now we're ready to put them all in the holes. That's what we're here to do today. It's really rewarding when you come back and see how fantastic it looks in a year or two and know that you helped do that. That's so rewarding.
Back in '97, the original donor wanted this to be a nature preserve and bird sanctuary, so we are following her wishes since she graciously donated this property to the land trust. So over the years, we've been working on restoration for that goal of preserving this for a bird sanctuary, and that's what we're doing today, planting shrubs for wildlife. Yeah.
How does it feel like doing this kind of thing?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I think it's, you know, you can donate money, but doing this really gets right to the root of the issue, no pun intended. And putting roots in the ground and getting things to grow, I think that's what it's all about. So, a lot of fun.
Planted lots of shrubs today so that we can help these migrating birds stay hydrated and fed so they can get where they're going.
And how's it feel?
It feels good. Sweaty and hot, but good.